Welcome back to the MeasureSquare iPad tutorials. In this video, we will be going over how to adjust your wall layout direction for a specific wall and then apply the same layout direction to the rest of the walls. Starting out with turning on our walls, we will locate the Views icon in the top right. Then select View Options to turn on your wall. Make sure that you have a blue check mark by wall before tapping to get out of your View Options menu. Tap on your room to view your wall panels. Select the eye icon, which will open your wall detail menu. At the bottom of your list, there will be a layout direction tool for you to select. Once you tap on the tool, drag in the direction you would like your product to be displayed. When you have applied your product in the correct direction, select the eye icon again on the wall and select Apply Layout to all walls. This will allow all of your walls to have the same layout direction all at once. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos and more information for all MeasureSquare products.